All right, everyone. Today we'll learn how to create a Facebook campaign. And since we're in Q4, there's no time to waste. You need to test as fast as possible during this period. We'll go through how to build a Facebook campaign in just 10 to 15 minutos. Stay with me. I'll first explain quickly on the whiteboard, then we'll move to Ads Manager. This is my personal method for Facebook testing, especially when you're testing several products during Q4. Let's say we have 3 products to test. I divide my test based on campaigns where each product equals 1 campaign. So, campaign 1 for product 1, campaign 2 for product 2, campaign 3 for product 3. Let's explain specifically one product and you'll then use the same method in the other 2. Let's focus on one campaign now. Each campaign includes ad sets and ads, and we'll use 6 ad sets, 1 through 6. I'll explain the target for the ads. Ad set 1, broad targeting, no interest at all, only target by age and gender. For example, if you're selling cat products, think logically or use ChatGPT. Who buys these products? Men or women? And what age group? Each ad set includes 2 creatives. It depends. In Q4, I prefer to test more products rather than too many creatives. If your product and video are good, purchase rates and performance will follow. If your creative is good, you definitely find your cost per click is good. Each ad set uses 2 creatives. Of course, you'll use different ad copies. Now, ad set 2, we will delete age and gender. You already knew that we are doing the narrow interest. Here we apply the classic method. 1 interest per ad set. For example, cat food, cat walking, Walmart, or any other cat-related topic. Each of these 4 ad sets will again include 2 creatives with different copies or videos. Number 6, this is really important. This is my special setup, the 3-layer targeting. Let me show you. You start with a broad interest, such as cats. It shouldn't be interests like cat food, cat walking, cat training, etc. Here are the 3 layers. I put the target related to the product itself. The user must be interested in all of them: cats and cat food and cat training. That's how you reach the most qualified audience. Because someone who only likes cats may not actually own one. Everyone loves animals, right? But people who interact with multiple cat-related interests are real cat owners. It will be a must. Cat food, cat trainers, Walmart. They must be interested in all 4 of them to see this. The idea is that you reach the best people interested in you. If you put only cats here, people may be interested in cats or might like cats but not interested in cat food. Cat trainers or anything like that, then they may not own cats. So if I'm interested in all these things, 90% I own cats. This is the best way to reach your strongest audience in this quarter 4. It will have the best indicators, better costs, and of course the CPM will be slightly higher than the lower order items. But this is the elite of your audience. This logic applies to any niche hiking, camping, or others. This method helps you find the best audience faster. In Q4, you'll get better purchases, and so overall better. You'll have 6 ad sets, 1 broad, 4 single interests, and 1. Each has 2 creatives. Let's say we have a budget here in Q4. Don't start with small budgets. Use a lifetime budget of $50 to $60 for 3 days. And when you see good results, you can double check and continue. And if you start with a tight budget, you can set daily $15 to $25 per ad set. But we are in a tight time frame, so better if you can increase the budget. Avoid $9 to $10 budgets. You won't collect enough data. After 3 days, review performance. Don't judge based on the first day. Because FB has changed, check CPM after the first 24 hours. It should align with your net profit per product. Example, if your profit is $30 and CPM is $50, that's a red flag. You will have trouble getting sales and keep the ads for long. The CPM should be equal to Higher profits mean more flexibility to keep ads running longer. The longer a campaign runs, the better your pixel data and CPC become. Everything in your ads improve. In the first 24 to 48 hours, only focus on CPM and CPC. Ignore purchases until day 3. For the US, CPC should be below $1 for Europe. Around 80 cents though, UK CPM is currently high, so $1 is fine. It's possibly higher now, especially for UK. If someone is working on UK recently will find the CPM is very high. It doesn't make sense at all. So we can make it $1 or less. After 3 days, if no sales, turn off the ad set. Don't judge within 24 hours. Early sales are rare. Now, let's move to the real ad setup. Objective: sales, not engagement. Conversion, location, website. We work with ABO, not C. But if someone wants to use it, please freely use it. But here we leave it as it is. Budget, we switch to lifetime budget. For example, $60. Bidding, maximize conversions, no manual cost. It depends on your budget, but don't underestimate it. After you calculate it, make sure it is not under $15 per day. I'm starting tomorrow. Ends after 3 days. Okay, there's something important here. Under this button, I'll press show more options. Conversion window one day, click one day view, very important. Scroll down and we will switch to original target audience ABO. Geographic targeting, one country per campaign in Europe. If you work on Germany, just put Germany. Don't put together with France or Italy, because each store has its own translation. Keep it organized. For this example, I'm working in English markets, so I would choose US, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. Generally, we test with age from 28 to 65 plus. Gender, we do all. So later we can check where clicks and checkouts are coming from and analyze the result. Leave the language as it is. Now, for the placement, we do the manual placement. Keep Facebook plus Instagram. Leave these boxers as it is. Disable Explore, Inbox, and search results. Keep stories, reels, feeds, and Instagram. Coming to the target broad, no interests. One interest per ad set, specific niche-related topics. You already knew since I explained it. 3 layers. 1 broad plus 2 to 3 related audience size. 3 to 7 million is ideal. I'm just reviewing things here. I'm working with the broad interest. Here I fill in black cats as a broad interest. whatever you think that it will be a strong, broad interest. Let's be broader. Change to cats. Audience size tips, best if between 3 to 7 million. For the 3-layer narrow interest, I use black cat. Let's see what cat market we can find. You can also put cat food here. Okay, Siamese cat is good. Okay, so we have the 4-layer with 1 broad and 3 narrow interest here. The last thing is that the audience size my audience should be greater than 3 million. Less than 3 meters will result in very high CP. And you want to make good sale. From 6 minus 7M is a good interest for the broad interest. You don't look at audience size because it's usually 20, 30 to high. Above 10M to broad. Adjust targeting by age, gender, and logic based on the product type. It depends a lot on your logic and the product itself.